So it's been a while. Hey guys, so today we're gonna make the most famous fried chicken sandwich or burger, whatever you wanna call it. The process is really simple and you can make this at home very easily. So I'm gonna show you how you can make that classic fried chicken that you eat outside at home with the same level of crispiness. Also, I'm gonna show you a burger sauce which is slightly different but it goes really well with it. So with that said, let's get started, shall we? So let's start by making the fried chicken. So let's talk about the chicken for a minute. Here I'm using some nice boneless, skinless chicken thighs because of the extra moisture and fat. So don't trim out the extra fat because you want that for the juicy, you know what I'm saying? To the chicken, add a teaspoon of oil and rub it all over. Then season the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. This would help for the extra taste and it won't dry out. So now, let's make the marinade. First up, add a cup of yogurt in a bowl. To that, add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder or cayenne pepper for the heat. Now, to that, add half a teaspoon of MSG. Now, this is totally optional, but this is how you get the nostalgic fried chicken that you eat outside. Now, season it with salt and pepper. Apparently, a lot of pepper. Now, if you have garlic powder, you can add that, but I didn't have that, so I'm going to add around 5 to 8 crushed garlic cloves. So now, mix everything up and the marination is ready. Add your chicken pieces in the marinade and let it submerge in the marination. Now, let the chicken marinate for at least an hour or overnight in the fridge if you have the time and patience. As the chicken is marinating, let's make our burger sauce. So take 1 large or 2 medium-sized onions and roughly chop them. Then, in a pan, add about a teaspoon of oil and about a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter starts to sizzle, add the chopped onion and let it saute on low heat. So we are basically caramelizing the onions. Add a little bit of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. This would help in the caramelizing process. You can also add a little bit of water if the onions start to burn. My pan has a little thin coating, that's why you see the black color, but my onions have come out great. This is how your caramelized onion should look. Now, this sure takes a little bit of time, but I assure you that it's worth it. In a bowl, add half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and your caramelized onions. Then season it with salt and pepper. And your burger sauce is done. So the chicken has been marinating for a while and it's ready to fry. First up, here I have 2 cups of flour and I'm going to season the flour with salt, pepper and some red chili powder or cayenne pepper. Now dredge your chicken in the flour. Properly press it so that every crevice is coated with flour. Now in a kadhai or a deep dish pan, add oil and let it heat. Once it's up to temperature, add your breaded chicken carefully. Make sure to drop it away from you in case the oil splashes. cook the chicken on medium-low heat for about 6 to 9 minutes until the coating is brown and the chicken is cooked through. The internal temperature should register 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 73 degrees Celsius. Now take the chicken out and let it rest for a minute. Now we have all our components ready. Let's assemble. First rule, always, I mean always toast your buns so that you don't get a soggy sandwich. Now generously add your burger sauce on the bottom bun. There's nothing wrong if you put a lot. Then add your fresh lettuce. To that, add 2 to 3 slices of tomatoes and then season the tomatoes with salt. Then the pièce de résistance, the chicken. Yeah, oule. Then apply the sauce on the top bun and crown your king. And your best chicken sandwich is ready. So do try this recipe out and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Also, follow me on my Instagram handle _Rohit_Ghosh for more content. And if you learned something, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching, guys. Until then, I'm gonna meet you on my next video.